Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Invisible Glass 19-ounce cleaner. There are no streaky soaps, perfumes, or dyes in this unique recipe. On your glass, absolutely no residue is left. This one-of-a-kind foam cleanser washes deeply to remove road oil and grime, dirt, fingerprints, salt, mud, and other contaminants from your windshield and mirrors for a brilliant sheen. Because the Invisible Glass product contains no ammonia, it can be used on both colored and clear glass. Use it at home, on stainless steel appliances, in the car, on the boat, in the office, and in a variety of other places. This fine mist sprays evenly and completely clings to glass, resulting in a deep clean that shines from within. It is suitable for usage both inside and outside. The windshield cleaner has an extensible handle with a pivoting 180-degree swiveled head made of high-grade plastic. To ensure the quality of our product, we utilize a washable microfiber pad cover made of strong water absorption material. Car cleaning window tool featuring a long-lasting and ergonomic handle that can be readily extended to reach hard-to-reach window bottoms. The car window cleaner is a washable and reusable microfiber pad with powerful water absorption that can remove dirt and dust. Car cleaning window tool is capable of washing car windshield interiors and exteriors without the use of chemicals or soap. The extensible handle and microfiber pivoting pad make it simple to clean hard-to-reach car window bases. Car window cleaner can be used in all sizes of vehicles, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. Car window cleaner is also suitable for kitchens, bathrooms, furniture, mirrors, tiles, shower stalls, and other surfaces. It's also great for fog and wetness. For details, let's watch more. Number 2 in this best car window cleaner list is Windex Ammonia-Free Window Cleaner. Windex is likely the world's largest and most well-known manufacturer of dependable glass cleaners, and the Windex glass and window cleaner is ideal for use on automotive glass. It gets to work right away to provide excellent streak-free cleaning. This glass cleaner is also great for cleaning mirrors, sealed granite and marble, stainless steel, UV-protected windows, glass stovetops and shower doors, bathroom surfaces and fixtures, plastic, tile, vinyl, aluminum, and other surfaces. It's also an environmentally responsible option with a bottle made entirely of recycled ocean-bound plastic. To get a streak-free finish, use a lint-free cloth or a dry paper towel. Other substances may leave a streaky residue. Clean the glass first with a damp green cloth, then with a dry lint-free blue cloth. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can complete the task. An environmentally responsible and healthier alternative to the traditional spray and wipe procedure. Achieve outstanding results with only water. Machine washable hundreds of times. There are detailed instructions for use and upkeep included. Our third choice is 7th Generation All-Purpose Cleaner. 7th Generation All-Purpose Cleaner for removing grease, filth, and debris from surfaces throughout your house and beyond. 95% USDA certified bio-based product, biodegradable, septic safe. There are no harsh chemicals, petroleum-based solvents, glycol ethers, phosphates, acids, caustics, colors, or scents in this product. There are no harsh chemicals, petroleum-based solvents, glycol ethers, phosphates, acids, caustics, colors, or scents in this product. After applying on your surfaces, there is no need to rinse, simply spray and wipe clean. Better for employees, communities, and the environment. By purchasing 7th generation goods, you are supporting the health of the future 7 generations. The detachable handle automobile windscreen cleaner can be broken into pieces for storing. It includes 4 washer towels, one more than the others, and one 60 milliliter spray bottle. Cleaning is quick and simple. Windshield for a car, without straining, clean the interiors and exteriors of your automobile windows. There will be no more back pain. Getting to those hard to reach car window bases is straightforward with the extra long extension handle, longer than competitors, and larger pivoting head. The twist lock on the handle is tight and stays fully extended. It is effective as a fog and moisture removal tool. Use the cleaning brush set in your car to clean hard to reach windows in your home, as well as televisions, glass screens, glass mirrors, and even flooring. Fits all vehicle, truck, SUV, and RV sizes. 4th pick in this best car window cleaner list is Mrs. Meyer's window cleaner. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day glass cleaners contain hard-working yet gentle streak-free glass cleaning ingredients, as well as a unique smell for the entire home. The citrus aroma of lemon verbena scented window and mirror cleaner is light and invigorating. This sensitive plant blooms in early summer and smells fresh and new all over. To shine mirrors and other glass surfaces inside and outside the home, we combine garden-inspired aromas, essential oils, and plant-derived cleaning agents. Our ammonia-free glass cleaner spray keeps surfaces streak-free and sparkling clean. Without parabens, formaldehyde, or animal-derived substances, our glass cleaner is always cruelty-free. A washable microfiber pad with excellent water absorption. There is no trace of streaks or lint left behind. This product is intended to clean a car's windshield, making it clean and brilliant. Not only is our window wiper appropriate for automobiles, but the enhanced reach makes washing trucks and SUVs easier than ever. To get through an emergency, a high-grade carbon steel safety hammer at the joint of handle and panel should be used. Internal windshield cleaning, wipe with a dry pad or a small bit of water after spraying. Our 5th and last choice is 3D Glass Cleaner. With the 3D Glass Cleaning Smear Clearer Kit, getting clean glass has never been easier. The 3D Glass Cleaner eliminates pollutants from your surface without smearing and is available in an aerosol bottle for easy application. 3D Super Glass Cleaner is a highly effective, industrial-strength product developed to provide both professionals and enthusiasts with the ultimate tool for keeping their glass virtually invisible. 3D Super Glass Cleaner's alcohol-based, ammonia-free recipe ensures that you may use it on every type of glass, including colored glass, and still get the same outstanding results. 3D Super Glass Cleaner is designed to resist smearing, fogging, and smudge, giving you the greatest clarity imaginable. However, the utility of 3D Super Glass Cleaner does not end there. 3D Super Glass Cleaner can also be used to clean your headlights and other plastic surfaces. You can see in the video that there are 2 holes on the handle, one larger and one smaller. There are also 2 protruding points on the pad, one larger and one smaller. After matching the sizes, fix one of the sides and bend the pad back a little to get the handle into the notches on the pad. Please be careful when bending the pad, and do not use too much strength. If you have any questions, please email us and we will respond as quickly as possible. Fill the spray container with either water or detergent. While cleaning the interior of a car, use a dry pad or spray a little water on the pad and wipe clean. While cleaning the exterior of a car, use a dry pad and a little glass cleaning fluid for wiping to remove stubborn spots on the glass. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this purchase educational video, then don't forget to subscribe us. I like to confirm you again that I'm not a financial advisor and this channel don't provide you any financial advice. We just try to suggest best items on your budget to make your shopping easier. We are not related on any product buy, sell and production. So, before buy any product, please do your own analysis. If you face any issue on product, then this channel is not responsible for that. Thanks and happy shopping.